Hi guys, today in this video we're gonna learn about what is Fibonacci series and how can we print Fibonacci series in Python. So let's start by defining what is Fibonacci series is. What is Fibonacci series? The Fibonacci series is the sequence of numbers which is addition of previous two numbers. Let's see what it is. First, we are gonna take as a 0 and is the initial value. So the next value will be 0 plus 1 will be 1. So the next value of Fibonacci series will be, first will be 0 and then will be 1, then it will be 1 plus 0, so it will be 1, then it will be again 1 will be addition with again 1, so it will be 2, and the 2 will be addition with again 1, so it will be 3, then again it will be 3 plus the previous value of the 3 is 2, so 3 plus 2 will be 5. So like this, so on so forth, the sequence will be go on. So let's start the program by defining a variable. I'm taking x and I'm assigning to 1, and then I'm taking y, and that will be, the value will be 0. Then I'm going to write a for loop here for I in range, which will be repeated 8 times. And now we have to store the x value to a temporary variable. So I'm storing the x value to a temporary variable of temp, and then we're adding, next we are adding the x and y value. So like this we can get the next value of the series. Then we are assigning the temp value to the y, so the previous value of x will be value of y in the new loop. So now let's print the output here. So y will print our Fibonacci series. So now let me demonstrate how the loop runs and how the values will be in the loop. So first the temp value will be x, so first temp will be 1, and then the x value will be will be 1 plus 0, so it will be 1. Then the y will be the value of temp, so 1, so y will be 1. In the next loop the temp will be equals to x, so the temp will be again 1, and the x will be 1 plus, so the y is here, y's value here is 1, so the 1 will be addition with 1 equals then the value will be 2. And now let's print the y. So I forgot to put the hashtag here. Now the value of I is also 1 because temp is 1, here you can see the temp is also 1. So then again when the loop runs, temp will be equals to x, so temp will be assigned to 2, and then x will be 2, and y value is 1, so 2 plus 1 equals 2, it will be 3, and the next y will be temp is value is 2, so y will be 2, and then when again it will be run, so the temp will be 3 because the x value is 3, and now the x value will be 3 plus 2 because the y value is here 2, so 3 plus 2 will be 5, and now the y will be so now the y will be 3 because temp is 3. So again if we run again, then temp will be 5 and x will become 5 plus 3 because y is 3, and it will be 8, then y will be next 5 because temp is 5. So that loop will be run like this, and it will print at the end the series. So if you want to run the loop more times, then you have to increase the range here, then it will print more Fibonacci series. So now let's save it, and now let's run the program. So we got 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21, which is correct, but we don't get the value of the beginning. So the beginning value of the Fibonacci series is 0, so we are not getting the 0, so we have to print it first here. Save it, and if we run that, so we got 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 and 21, and this is now correct. So if you didn't understand what I said before, you can tell me in comments, and if you understand, then give it likes and subscribe, and see you in the next time. Goodbye.